Take up the power cord. Connect the power cord to the monitor. Take up another power cord. Connect the power cord to the camera. Take up the green connector. Use a tool to loosen the screw.
Insert the merged red wire into the positive, plus slot of the green connector.
Tighten the screws. Insert the merged white wire into the minus slot of the green connector. Tighten the screws. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the green connector.
Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power.
Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Pick up the camera. Cover the camera with your hand and hold the automatic light sensor with your finger. You can see IR light. Touch the menu key to enter the menu mode.
If the product you received has an image, please do not pair it. Touch the OK key to enter the pairing countdown.
Turn off the camera's power and quickly turn on. The image appears on the monitor, means pairing is successful.